In today's video, I will show how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So let's begin. First, you will go to your Instagram account. After coming to Instagram, we have to go to our profile. So at the bottom right side, the profile icon you see, tap on it. After coming here, we will go to the top. Then tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. After coming here, scroll down and you can see the section Who can see your content. Under this section, you see an option called Story and Location. I tapped on Story and Location. After coming to Story and Location, I tapped on Hide Story From. After coming here, you can see all our followers. So I selected everyone. After selecting everyone, I tapped the Done button. So now what happened? Whenever I upload a story, none of our followers will be able to see it. Now we will go back. After going back, what will we do? We will upload a story. Now it's time to upload our story. So let's go. Here you can see the Your Story option. Once we tap on it, we'll be able to upload a story. From here, you can select anything you want. For this example, I'm selecting this picture. After selecting the picture, look at the bottom. You'll see an arrow icon. Tap on that. Once you tap, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and tap Share. After tapping Share, you'll notice an option that says Add to Highlight. Tap on that. Now you can give your highlight any name you want. Write anything you like inside the highlight. After that, tap the Add button. And there you go. You can see that our story has been uploaded successfully. And at the same time, when we check our highlights, look, the highlight is also visible. Our highlight has been created perfectly. But there's one important thing, none of our friends can see this story because we have hidden it from everyone earlier. That's why nobody will be able to view our stories right now. So you'll need to go back to the Who can see your content section. After entering there, go to Story and Location and then open Hide Story From. From here, simply unselect the people you selected earlier. Once done, tap the Done button. That's it. Now, if you upload a story again, everyone will be able to see it normally. If you face any problem understanding any step, let me know in the comments, I will reply. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more tips and tricks.